Hello, my friends. Welcome to Trading with KS. So today, everything about the bank, all the bank stock, most of the bank stock, the big bank, all went up. Uh, Gloves today not as good. Glove went down. Technology also as expected today big, yesterday big drop. So today continue big drop. But KLCI big gain today, big spike today. We discuss shortly. Let's check out the introduction first before I dive into the news and the chart. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. So this is the morning session, right? Morning session, I focus mainly on bank, as expected, right? Bank is doing a good recovery. Remember last few days, most of my focus, I was talking about the bank, and also yesterday I share this game plan, right? My game plan, my strategy, going to the first quarter of this year, right? I will I focus more on bank stock, industry stock, and those recovery stock, right? So only yesterday I talk about it. Strategy today already big push, luckily, okay. So don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and comment, okay. So our analysis actually pay off this time. Our analysis pay off. We look at the chart. We look at all this one, right? All the this bank stock, right? Almost all looks like already hit rock bottom, as I said, right? Already get the one big punch. This Mike Tyson left hook already fall down already. Now it's slowly climbing up, right? So today actually started to stand up already. So hopefully you guys caught the trend, Okay, so before that, let's check out all the global market first. Let's check out the global market. Okay, Malaysia today, KLCI, 14 points up, 0.911%, 15.64, 1,564. Close, wow, this is very strong. Okay, let's look at Singapore, up 0.599%, Hong Kong down 0.031%, South Korea down up 0.023%, Japan down 0.899%, Thailand up 0.628%, Philippines dropped 0.770%, China FTSE dropped 0.641%, SSE China dropped 0.726%, HSSE China drops 1.275%. So China is not doing well. China is keep on dropping. Australia dropped 0.765%, Indonesia dropped 0.645%, New Zealand dropped 0.475%, Taiwan up 0.268%, India Nifty up 0.307%. So Asia is not very strong. Asia not very strong. Hong Kong dropped, Japan dropped, China dropped, New Zealand dropped, Australia dropped, Indonesia so not very strong today, quite weak. China, but Malaysia is very strong today. Look at Europe, FTSE UK, FTSE up 0.612%, DAX up 1.321%. So DAX rebound. So coming to this, probably tonight we got this Fed chair Jerome Powell gonna speak. So probably he want to stop the bleeding of this stock market. We're not sure yet, but we hear that this US, right, probably going to increase this interest rate, right, in more times. Means initially they talk about 3 times, right? Maybe this time they want to go for even more than 3, maybe 4 times, right? So the market is what we call it, market panicking on this reacting and panic and reacting to this US Fed, right, policy, right? So so all the US indexes, stock market got hit. So Dow Jones still dropped yesterday, 0.449, NYSE dropped 0.272, not as big. These S&P dropped 0.144, so Nasdaq still holding 0.046. Also, probably there is, after tonight, we have to see. We have to see what is the response from this Jerome Powell tonight, whether he give a bullish sentiment or he give a bearish sentiment, or maybe he want to calm down the market, the equity market, so that it doesn't drop so much. See tonight what happened first before we make the big. If you're trading all this US market, probably want to wait for tonight before you want to jump in with your investment. Okay, so palm oil drop a little, 533.6, still very strong. Brent oil 82, same as yesterday. Crude oil 79.58, so almost the same crude oil, palm oil, crude oil and Brent oil not moving that much. Go up a bit, 1807, silver 22. Go up a bit, silver didn't move much, still at 22.6, around there yesterday also around there. Okay, so US market, so we have to see tonight what Jerome Powell what's the follow-up speech, okay, what is the sentiment he bring to the market before any big investment probably in the foreign market. Okay, so KLCI, big push. Okay, we talk about this line, right? This very important line. If this line hold, the KLCI should be doing well. Okay, this line, right? We draw this line long time ago, right? Long time ago. So you see the price is holding, hit this line and rebound back. Okay, this is what we call a support resistance, right? Support line, right? A trend line. I said that as long as it rebound above here, market is still okay. Okay, so market is still okay. So it rebound one time here. So it didn't even come back to test 1525. This is excellent. Okay, so market is bullish for now. So let's check out the index. Let's check out the sector. Sentiment 36. So still a lot of window dressing. Still a lot of window dressing. You want to see the window dressing or not? I show you. I show you here. 5 minutes. Okay, 5-minute chart. Okay, you see, right? This is 445. This is 450. So another big gap up at the after closing. This is pre-closing. 445. This is after closing. And what trading at last, right? This trading at last, right? So this one suddenly went up to here, right? So so there is still some institutional play here, big institution play. 3 points up. Okay, after closing. Okay, let us go through the sector. So today, not bad, 4.15 billion, and 14 points up, 1564. So let's check out the sector. Sector was all red in the morning. Most of it is red, right? Most of it was red except finance, right? So today, consumer also in the evening also went up to 0.51, industry up 0.28, construction down 0.08, technology continued to drop 2.78, finance big gain 1.96, property drop 0.01, plantation drop, property up 0.01, plantation up 0.56, REIT up 0.17, energy up 0.64, healthcare today dropped. So healthcare still cannot invest yet. Remember, later I show you the chart. Telecommunications 0.4 up, transportation down 0.37, utility up a bit 0.03. Okay, so the big gainers today is finance. We just talked about the finance, right? Just talk about the what are my plan for finance, right? So suddenly this one big push. So okay, so look at the index. Look at technology. So technology continue to drop. Probably we have some support over here. But maybe another 1-2 days drop. Probably it will slow down a bit. But let me see. There are some support around this area. Probably the drop will slow down. But depends on what Jerome Powell talked about tonight. So we have to all depend on what Jerome Powell, the US Fed chair, brings to the table. Okay, so now definitely don't hold. Definitely the best is don't hold the semiconductor. Not the technology stock, semiconductor stock. Okay, best not to hold. So I already throw all my semiconductor stock already. So you see, okay. So probably around here there will be a really support. Maybe we will have a minor rebound. Minor will be maybe drop a little more, minor rebound, but we don't know if today this Jerome Powell brings some very scary stuff to the market, right? Means a very scary sentiment to the market. This one can tank some more. Okay, so look at finance big gain. So finance a few more days probably it will hit the resistance over here. So we got a resistance over here, here, right? The big resistance. So probably another 1-2 days it will have a resistance, a correction before it most likely it will, after correction it will possibly, I think it will go up again. Hopefully lah, hopefully. So it will have a resistance over around here. 16236, this is a previous high. Okay, around here, around this area, 1-2 days, maybe tomorrow it will have some resistance over here. Maybe you correct before it go up. And you see also overbought already. Maybe it will drop a bit before it go up again. This one continue to hold healthcare. Healthcare today, right, is a somewhat like a bearish engulfing candle. This one is not good to invest in. First, it is a double top, right? Double top, right? And RSI also is after double top, right? The double top with the RSI divergence one, right, means normally it's not so good. It will drop. So this one, remember I said that if today, right? Okay, if today or tomorrow it can goes up and hold above this high over here, probably I might have some interest. But if it drop down like this, I don't have interest to play. For now no interest to play yet. But you're holding it. As I said, if you are playing with knife, it's okay. Remember, I already discussed the stop loss. Where are the stop loss for all the stock? So if I'm holding it, right, I will still wait for it and hit my stop loss. I will run. I will not just run like that because who knows, maybe 1 or 2 days more, because some news come out for this one, right? The COVID probably will propel it up again, because now this not only fundamental in play, we got a lot of news in play also. Probably some news come up, it will go up. So I'm not saying it will not go up, but looking at the chart alone now, it's not very good. It's not very good. Okay, so today I also did my forex video up. If you want to check out forex, you please check out this forex video. And afternoon I talk all about bank. This one, I'm sorry about this. This page, after I uploaded it, I forgot that I had to put the cover page here. So it randomly chose a page, so it come out like this. But actually we talk about the bank in the morning. Then actually it's like that. Okay, so if you want to buy me coffee, remember Trading with KS. Go to coffee.com, Trading with KS. All the link is in my Facebook. In the top posting here, we got want to open CGS-CIMB account for trading, for investing stock market. Click here. Want to open other account, Luno. I want to open TradingView. Everything is here. Or in the description of the video also got. Okay, so let's check out some news. So Tony Fernandez saying the international travel soon will bounce back. So he's giving good hope for all the Asia investor. And also he's talking about his e-hailing, his competition to Grab, service exceed expectation. I hear also from my friends who do Grab also, who drive this e-hailing, also saying that their business is quite good. Not only did he say, really I hear also some of my friends also driving for Grab, also some drive for both Grab and Asia. They talk about Asia business also quite good. So HSS win a 5G contract from Digital National. They never say how much. Or it's a consultancy services for the 5G infrastructure. So they will see how much the contract. This is for how many years? I think 1 year. Yeah, November 2021 to December 2022. So it's a 1 year contract. So HSSEB, right? Already fly this one. Already fly that day. I said I don't dare to pick up here. Or if it slowly go up, I will chase. But one big spike up now, it's already too late. Price already overbought. So this is already too late to chase for me. Too late to chase. I will not chase this anymore. News already out. So I'm not too keen to chase this one. Not too keen to chase. Probably this one, right, is opportunity to run for me, because this is on a downtrend. So any rebound, if you buy high last time, it's an opportunity to run. Invest, I don't see it that much. So PANTECH looking forward for better profitability this year. So their OPSI mistake. Also there is this Mercury Research also giving them a buy call at 0.72 cents. Okay, so we take a look at PANTECH. PANTECH buy call at 72 cents. PANTECH, remember we missed out the buy over here. I forgot to put the alarm over here, so the price went up. The price went up, already went up how many percent? 8% already. So what is the target for this Mercury? Okay, Mercury gives 69 cents, which is aligned with our top channel, right? So when the price continue go up like this, you see the trajectory, or the price goes up like that, right? So it will hit when it hit the top channel, will be exactly the Mercury price. So this one, buy now I will not, because already went up already. But if it drop a little bit, maybe I will consider. Maybe it drop a little bit because this one overbought already. So I think there will be some correction coming down. Once it come back down again, maybe rebound from this area, 58 cents, this area, maybe I might want to pick. So this one I highlight first. Once it come back, this one really went too far. Once it come back to this area, drop a little bit, buy it cheaper, then I might want to. 58 cents, maybe I'm interested. So SEMAIDEN want to get more project. So they say they are tendering a large-scale solar project. RLSS4 project. So good for them. So let's see. Market want to goring SEMAIDEN or not. SEMAIDEN, remember we got put alarm here. Actually the alarm trigger, then the price went back down. So this one still cannot yet. This one wait for it to go through and stay above 1.70 first. Now it's a force break, come back down. Doesn't look so good for now. So I'll wait and see. SEMAIDEN, wait and see. If it can go through, then maybe we want to go in. Not yet. Okay, this is a news. This is a news that they probably caused yesterday the big drop. Because Jerome Powell is only speaking today evening, later in the morning. So this one, Jamie Dimon, you know who is this, right? This is JP Morgan CEO. So he is the biggest banker, I think, in the world, considered, because he is in charge of the biggest bank, right, in US. Probably, I'm not sure whether JP Morgan is the biggest bank in the world, but they are biggest bank in US. So he's saying that US could bring more than four rate hike. So there is a lot of pressure to the stock market. So this one is the one that scares. And also they're expecting a higher US Treasury yield. The higher the Treasury yield, right? How do we say it? The higher Treasury yield means a lot of investors will jump to buy the Treasury instead of the stock market. That's why stock market, right, tumble a little bit, drop a little bit, because some of the investment actually when maybe maybe went to the Treasury yield. The yield on Treasury is high as 1.805. This last year was up every day this year from 1.511 on New Year's Eve. Okay, this is a bit complex. This treasury yield thing. We don't buy it here, so we are also I'm not too familiar with this. But what I know is, okay, whenever the treasury yield goes up, right, the stock market will drop. In US, stock market will drop. So P Metal set to reclaim all-time high. The RSP say so they are targeting all-time high at 6.2. Possibly even go to 6.5. So P Metal 6.2 to 6.5 they are saying. So we are also earlier than the chart. So we are also earlier, remember, so earlier than the news. So we went in really last week for P Metal, right? I think last week or 2 weeks ago. So there's 6.2 and 6.5, correct? So we are talking about here to here, right? This is my all-time high. This first target, second target, UOB 6.5, third target, Kenanga 6.9, and Hong Leong Bank 7.2. So we want to see what happened at around this area, 6.2 to 6.5. Okay, if we can continue go up, we maybe want to hold these two, but this will be a good target area if you are in the middle term. Middle term. I think this one probably can, but maybe a drop first before it goes up. For all these two target, right? Possible it come here, it will drop first before it go up. So continue to hold. This one already went up. That day we say breakthrough for 5.4, right? 5.47 buy in. So this one continue to hold. So Alliance Malaysia among top gainers are proposing dividend 63 cents. So today after the proposal, it went up quite a lot. No, it didn't went up quite a lot. Alliance, let me see. 2%, quite a lot 2%. Big gap up. Alliance Malaysia, right? Yeah, Alliance Malaysia. So gap up today. So how to play this one? Let me see. You call it what? Alliance, right? Not Alliance, right? Alliance, right? If I'm not mistaken. One 1163. 1163. Okay, 1163. This one it went back inside, went back above this one trend line. So let me see this one. Where is the resistance? Let me see. Let me see the resistance. The big resistance is here. Here, which is here. Okay. This one, right? This one, I will look at this one. 13.52. If it goes to 13.52, maybe you can try, but there's no bank target. I don't have any bank target here. So this one, if it goes through 13.5, maybe you want to look at here. 15.32 for first target. Second target possible here. 17. Wow, so this one, let me see how many percent we can get. The 14%, 26%. Look at 14% first. So this one possibly, if it goes up tomorrow, maybe you can try Alliance. Don't forget to put alarm, right? Now finance is in play. We have to put alarm. Finance is in play. So this one, DOHM say Malaysia wholesale retail trade hit record. 118.1 billion in November 2021. Means our retail is doing well. Year over year, year on year compared to last year, 116. So okay, retail sales is doing well. Among that is doing well is this retail sales, automotive fuel, okay, petrol doing well, household good doing well, food beverages and tobacco doing well, cultural goods also doing okay. Retail sales, information communication not so good, and retail sales in store and the market is doing well. So all these are doing well. So probably that's why we want to look at those recovery stocks. Maybe we want to look at some of those like Aeon, Aeon, Padini, those what else those are recovery stock in consumer my news, all those probably want to grab some of this stock. This one maybe another day. Today we talk about bank first. We talk about Genting already. Or some of the good one. What else? Other than the supermarket one, we got Patini. We got who else? Let me do some study first. We discuss about that later. So Malaysia GDP to grow 6.2%. Say Standard Chartered. So now quite aligned already. A few of the bank also talking about 6.2. So most likely this year we can get 6.2. It's not bad. So this one, commodity likely to continue hot streak in 2022. So this news saying that natural gas will do well in 2022. Natural metal, they are not so optimistic about metal this year. About gold, let me see. Okay, not too optimistic about gold, around 1,008. So also steel, also not too optimistic about steel, and also they talk about, let me just summarize a bit, not too optimistic. about this one. And also CPO, palm oil also a record year last year, but this year they don't expect it to go too high. They expect it to trend 4,007, around 4,007, and further declining to 4,003. So CPO this year are not so good, not so good. So this is just a summary of the story. You can read the whole story if you want. So I just give a short summary. Pharma received conditional letter for medical supply or medical supply logistic. So they got another 10-year. This one, there's another news. Sorry, I missed another news. Hold on. Yeah, this is the news. Sorry, this is the news. So pharma get letter from MOH supply medical supply for another 10 years. So good for them. Good for them. Let's see whether any spike a bit of their stock or not. Any good news to their stock? Got some good news. Starting to go up already. Pharma starting to go up. So pharma starting to go up a bit. Let me see. Pharma still got some play because CMB, Hong Leong Bank, Kenanga all above. So pharma, you need to drop. You need to stay above. You need to go above here first. 80 cent. 85, 80 cent. Goes above 80 cent. If it can stay above 8, put it 81 cent. Or if it can go about 81 cent. Let me see. Lower high. Okay, maybe goes about 81 cent. Then only we talk. Now still not too strong. We want it to break out here first. So it has not broken out yet. Maybe it has not broken out. Yeah, I think the line should be like this. Okay. Goes about 81 cent. Then only we want to talk about this one. Let me put the alarm first. Pharma, I think may still got something Pharma, Pharma supported by this institution Institution want it to go up This institution won't want it to go down So probably they still got chance but okay. So because they only get another 10 years contract, right? So most likely people will still want to invest in them. So this one we can watch out for long-term play. Maybe can. A lot of news today. Okay, so we take a quick look with the bank on all the other stock that we should. Morning I talk about all the banks, so I just go through very fast about the bank shortly because morning I really spent a lot of time talking about, not a lot of time 10 minutes video but I really focus a lot on the bank so I just go through. But before that I want to go through some of the stock. SEMAIDEN, PANTECH, HSSEB. INNATURE also got a break this morning but it went back down, so even INNATURE cannot. INNATURE have a false break. So after the news yesterday, right, INNATURE got a pump, went up, our alarm went back down. So this one still not yet. We want it to have but momentum starting to come into play already. So this one most likely we wait for it first. Wait for it to hold above 0.71 first, then only want to go in. So we just go through the bank quickly. Okay, go through the bank quickly. So if you want to see more detailed explanation, a more detailed breakdown, look at the morning video. Look at the morning video, which is this one. Or the morning video, morning update, bank stock, big spike. You check out this one. So this one I will go through it very quickly. RHB. RHB big spike. I said how I want to play. RHB, we still got all the target over here. So the bank is aligned that it should go up to 6 something, 6 something to 7. So this one already spiked today. You see, already got selling, right? Because already oversold. So probably I want to wait for price to drop a bit to buy in. Don't buy at the top. Don't buy after the big spike. A lot of people will take profit. Probably will drop a bit around this. Our add-on area. This is our first pick, right? First pick. Pick bottom, this is our add. So come back around here, maybe I want to add public bank. Public bank also today starting to pump. So here I want to pick some today, and after go through 4.2, maybe I want to add again. So you see the target is all above here. So you choose
4.6, 4.5, 4.6 to 4.8 lah. The target, so public bank also not bad, can play, but public bank, as I said, the window is smaller, can also lah, but very safe lah, public bank Maybank also, Maybank is fantastic, Maybank, because we got all the targets so high up, all the targets. So public bank, we can pick here. Maybank we pick one time here, 8.2, then we add on 8.3. Or if you want to add now, maybe overbought, wait for a drop first before we add, maybe some, because already went so far today, right? Already went 1 point something percent, maybe someone will sell, okay, after a sell off, then maybe you want to add. Or tomorrow continue go up, fly up, maybe you still can add. See tomorrow, if tomorrow it continue fly up, maybe you want to add also can. But I would probably wait for a drop first. I'll put it maybe at 8 point. Now today is 8.5, right? Maybe I put my buy order 8.42, my limit buy 8.44 around, maybe a bit down, a bit lower. Hong Leong FG hit target one day, already hit target, already 5%. So Hong Leong FG continue to hold, see whether it can break out or not, whether it can continue to go up or not. Maybe 1-2 days more, maybe it can go a bit up, because this one we want to wait for it to how we want to play, right? After the red candle bigger than the green candle, you see most likely tomorrow the green candle will start. When you see the red candle bigger, then maybe you want to run. Hong Leong Bank already broke, also went quite far, 3.6%, all went quite far. Hong Leong Financial Group 5%, Hong Leong Bank 3.65%. Also continue to hold this one, continue to hold. CIMB also went, CIMB didn't move much because already went up here. CIMB, you said you want to buy, maybe can try, but probably wait for a drop first, a small drop, only buy. BIMB today also big spike, 4.5%. BIMB, we got a lot of resistance over here. Hong Leong Bank also give target 3.45, that's why the gap is not so big. But okay 3.2, because this is a downtrend, right? So I'm not very keen to play this one. I'm not very keen to play this one. M-Bank still okay, possible still can go out a little bit. Because now we already got resistance at 2.25, 3.25. So possible want to play, wait for a drop before you go in. If you want to buy M-Bank, right? Continue to go up. 3.2, we already went in. So today it's at 3.4. 3.4. See what happened. 3.4. If it drop a bit, just tomorrow maybe you want to add. Or if you want to add, looking for this 3.7 TA1. I'll look for this target. Fin. Yesterday we talked about the break over here. We can go in. So today big went up very high, right? In the morning I said don't go in. If you haven't buy in, don't go in first. Wait for the price drop a little bit first, or maybe wait another 1-2 days, see whether the price actually come back, retrace back or not. So we want to buy it cheaper, don't buy it at the top here. ABMB already reached the target. Hong Leong Bank target already reached. To this one, better don't chase now. Wait for it to drop a little bit, then only go in. Okay, so today is all about the bank. If you want to see more detail, more detailed explanation, maybe you check the morning video. So this one, both slightly don't chase now. Don't chase now because price already spiked a lot. So probably you put some limit order, buy it at a cheaper price, or wait for a retracement first. Wait for the price to drop a bit. Definitely a lot of take profit. You see Afin also big take profit here, right? Take profit. Probably in the next few days it will drop a little bit more. So for you to for us to buy, for us to add. Okay, so that's it for today. Stay safe from COVID. See you. Bye bye.